Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this lovely white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, with a lovely bed liner. We got a tailgate step as well. We got a two-tone paint on this vehicle, which adds a nice classy look to the vehicle. It's extended gripped running boards, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated mirrors, and move to the front here, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the back with an upgraded B&O sound system, 6 additional seats right here with cup holders, USB, USB-C, 12 volt, and a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat as well as passenger seats, same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, that B&O sound system again, spotlights, Pro Power Onboard, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 175,409 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We got My View, trip and feel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got a cup holder, storage, more storage underneath your 6 additional seat with storage below. We got some storage here with some outlets just above it, drive modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, dual climate with heated front seats, 12 volt and 120. Storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We also do get your auto stop start, your backup camera, hazards, traction, and hill, media controls, audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone, your navigation, pretty easy to use, search reason saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Pro Power Onboard, any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings as well, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GA84135A, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.